Hey guys, is your PCV valve diaphragm as hungry as mine? And your car basically makes a bunch of seagull sounds like these. Then it is most likely your diaphragm is no longer operational and you have to change this valve. In this video, I'll show you how to do it. All right guys, just real quick, to get to the diaphragm, which sits right under this plastic thing, the two plastic pieces from the corners gotta come out, the charge pipes gotta come out, which is pretty easy. It's just some clamps here and here, and then two screws down there. I have a socket in there right now, one, and then the second one is right there. So you undo those. I believe it's like a E10 socket, and then you're gonna be able to remove this plastic thing and have a lot more room to get this done. So I literally had to chisel this thing right there off to crack it open, and then you just pry it off and it comes right off. Just gotta be extremely careful doing it. And this is the kit I'm using. It's called Clifix or whatever. I'll link in Amazon. But this is just essentially a replacement cap with the new diaphragm and a new spring. And we were gonna GB weld this sucker on top of it. All right guys, so I cleaned this off with some rubbing alcohol and also sand it a little bit around for better bonding, and we literally getting ready to JB weld this sucker on there. All right guys, this is how much JB weld I applied. I know this is not pretty, but I don't care about pretty as long as it functions well, just to show you the amount. All right guys, so I forgot to grab weight. Don't be me, make sure you have a couple little plates or anything heavy, and preferably not a plant that you can put on top of this, because it is spring loaded and it's not gonna want to sit on there unless you put a bunch of weight on top of it and leave it for 40 minutes to an hour. All right guys, that cured pretty nicely. I definitely went with the over apply strategy rather than under apply. But yeah, this is sealed super nicely. I gave it a little more than an hour for it to cure, and I will put the charge pipes and everything back on and start her up. All right guys, so I'm actually happy to report that after driving around for a couple weeks after I got this done, there are zero issues. The car runs beautifully, and of course I drive the way it was designed to be driven, which means beat the hell out of it. But yeah, this little mod definitely worked, and very much worth the time and 20 bucks. Don't spend like $800 replacing your entire valve cover. Awesome guys, hopefully you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, and as always, follow the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.